The quiet village of Dunkirk heard the hum of aircraft before dawn. As German forces cornered Allied troops, Operation Dynamo was set in frantic motion. Fishing boats, pleasure crafts, and yachts sailed to rescue 338,000 soldiers desperate to escape. Despite relentless bombardment by the Luftwaffe, brave civilians joined naval vessels in the daring evacuation. Through fog, smoke, and flames, they managed to salvage hope from almost certain defeat. Churchill called it a miracle of deliverance, revitalizing British spirit and resolve. What if those small boats hadn't come to Dunkirk's shores?